Beginning Monday, you'll have to wear a mask in public places in Kansas City, Missouri. The mayor issued the order today while also ending the city's 50% occupancy cap on all businesses except for restaurants and taverns. KMBC 9's Brian Johnson has what it means for you.
You'll be seeing a lot more face masks. That's because starting Monday, every place you enter in Kansas City that's not a private residence or church will require a face covering of your mouth and nose.
How can you keep businesses open, or how can you reopen businesses? The simplest, sharpest, fastest way is by making sure that people wear masks.
Mayor Lucas cites the Springfield, Missouri Great Clips case, where a hairstylist infected with COVID-19 had interactions with dozens of people, but because everyone wore masks, no one else was infected.
Don't get hung up over the mandate. If there was no legal system in this country to require anything, we should be doing this because we care about each other.
Dr. Rex Archer says it's about data and people's health and safety. Earlier this month, states that required masks saw a 12% decline in COVID-19 cases, whereas places with no mask requirement saw an increase of 84%.
We've got to do this to save lives and save our businesses.
Businesses are expected to refuse customers that don't comply, or they could risk their license.
It isn't a political issue. Instead, it's an issue that's keeping people safe and hopefully saving lives.
In Kansas City, Brian Johnson, KMBC 9 News.
Unified Government Mayor and CEO David Alvey says the UG is drafting a similar requirement. Details are still being finalized, but the rule could take effect as early as Tuesday. Johnson County, Kansas tells us tonight it currently has no plans to mandate face masks. As for exemptions in Kansas City, Missouri, minors are on the list. Even a mask is recommended for anyone older than 2 years old. People with disabilities can't comfortably wear a mask, or it prevents them from communicating. People with respiratory conditions, those who have been told by medical or legal professions not to wear one, and those seated in a restaurant while eating or drinking. Dr. Anthony Fauci says wearing a mask is everyone's responsibility. He says tackling the virus is not just an individual effort.
You have an individual responsibility to yourself, but you have a societal responsibility, because if we want to end this outbreak, really end it, and then hopefully when a vaccine comes and puts the nail in the coffin, we've got to realize that we are part of the process.
Texas and Florida are taking steps tonight as cases are surging in their states. The state of Texas has ordered all bars closed. In Florida, bars can't sell alcohol. A few other states are backtracking from their plans to reopen businesses. Missouri just set a single-day record for COVID-19 cases with another 493 today. The state reported more than 500 cases yesterday, many the result of a testing backlog. Kansas is reporting 568 new cases since Wednesday. That is also the highest number since the state began reporting cases every other day. Right now at KMBC.com, you can follow the latest COVID trends across your state and city. While you're there, sign up for our coronavirus newsletter, sending updates straight to you.